welcome back to McLovin Moto. Today we are headed up to Prairie Peak again, but today I'm riding actually with one other guy who didn't make it up there with us and he wanted to see it, and then my buddy Trevor on his Triumph Tiger 800 got some new tires. He went to the Trail Max Missions instead of the street tires he had on his bike before, and had the suspension raised back up. It had been lowered prior to him buying it, and he wants to go out and test on his new tires and his suspension being lifted. Oh, he also got his forks resealed. So we're gonna head up to Prairie Peak. We're on a road called Bell Fountain Road right now, which is an awesome backcountry road. We're gonna go up through Whole Oaks Lumber, which is an old lumber mill. They're actually one of the few in Oregon that can still do work with big logs. And we're gonna run up, and it's steam powered, which is pretty amazing. So come join us as we go ride and explore the Pacific Northwest. If you wouldn't mind, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell. That way you'll know when I post awesome new content like this. And I just want to say I appreciate everybody who has subscribed so far. I've got a bunch of new subscribers in the last month or so. Really appreciate you following along, and hope that you're enjoying it. All right, so here we are at Whole Oaks. Check this out. We're gonna go right through the middle of the mill. They built some pretty cool, or they cut some pretty cool lumber up here. Look at some of those big beams. This is where a lot of the big stuff comes out of. Big house beams, garage headers. Oh, look at that. That's a big one. But yeah, this is a steam powered lumber mill. Is it one of the last in the country, Spencer? Can you help me out? Probably. Yeah, I don't know that there's many that. It might be the last. Yeah, very, very true. It might be the last steam powered lumber mill, but this place is pretty amazing. You said coming up on the left here, we'll see the steam from the lumber mill. Look at that big old saw blade, and so neat and old school. This is the scaling station, that sign said. Look at that big old log grabber. That's the technical term too, right, Spencer? Log grabber. It's science, yeah. Oh yeah, look. Check this out. I'm gonna just roll over here for a second. Got the log pond, all the logs coming in. And then up over here, look at some of these big, thick pieces. Girthy, really. How cool is that? Is it up here at the top? Yeah, look at some of those. Those are some big rounds. Goodness. Yeah, you don't see many logs like that anymore coming out of the woods. Pretty neat. This must be where they work on their stuff, maintain it. Look at all those old logging machines. Yep. Rolls over it, picks it up from the middle. Self-load. Oh, look at that old tanker truck. Wow, pretty neat. All right, let's go do some riding. It kind of is. I wonder if there's trucks up here today. We didn't see any last time, but yeah, we might have to be careful. You know what? That's good. That was a good reminder. So Spencer's saying he went to some training one-on-one with a instructor in Bend, and they did a bunch of standing for their riding, and that really made a difference. So I'm going to try to do some more standing today. That was one of the things I wanted to work on. So we'll see how it goes. Is this it? Oh yeah, here it is. All right, so we're going to go up this hill, and it's a hard left and up. So stay on the throttle. There we go. It's not too bad. It actually, I think, was worse last time. It looks like it maybe got graded. Do you want to go to the left? So we're supposed to go to the right, but I kind of want to go up this road to the left. See where it goes. Oh, this is steep. Yep. Nope. Keep moving. Holy smokes. That is a climb. Whoa. Look at the freaking view up here. Goodness gracious. Oh, I hear stuff smacking off your skid plate. Holy crap. Look at this, dude. Wow. You guys all right? Did he make it? Yeah. Is he all right? Yeah, that's a climb. Does he need some help? All right, I'll go check on him. Was he on the inside? Okay. Dude, isn't that a sweet view? Uh-oh. I don't see him. Was he down at the bottom? Right. Yeah, don't stop. Holy mackerel, that's a hill and a half, isn't it? Oh, he's gonna give it a shot. Yep. Here he comes. Here he comes. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yeah, you got this. Man, I should have put my GoPro at the bottom and filmed this. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Trevor, don't do that. Oh, oh, oh. You all right, buddy? All right. Woo! You okay? Okay. Get it? Here, let's wait for let's catch your breath. You all right? Yeah. Okay. Is your foot all right?
I think so.
Okay.
I need to take a picture.
Yeah. Hey, that's the side to crash on, not this side.
First time you laid it down? Yeah, that's the first time. Hey, there you go. I'm not scared anymore.
Yeah, look at that. That's.
I did my first day. I had mine.
So do you want us to turn you around and we'll head back down? Because I don't know that you're gonna get started here in a way that's gonna get you up there.
There's a flat spot right up there.
It's better. We could probably push you a little bit to get you up there. Yeah. On the way down though, you're gonna want to stay on this left side so that you're not near the. Yeah. And then just ride the rear brake is how that's how I'm planning to get down.
I'd say if you could help me get.
Yep, let's help you get it upright.
Loose, but if we get all the way up to that.
Yeah, there's a gas tank's leaking. There's a landing up there is all it is. Let's see. Let me pull the hand grip in here real quick. Okay. Is it in gear?
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. There we go. Yeah, I got it. How we looking? Looks fine. Yeah.
Yeah, I think
that's why it's got crash guards. Yeah, he does. Yeah, you guys are fancy. So we're kind of at a suck angle, but we'll help you, okay? So just feather the clutch and we'll walk with you, okay? Nope. What are we stuck on here? Oh, hey, stop. You're just pushing. Yeah. Yep. Here, so come back towards me, let the clutch out. There you go. Keep it up. Feather the clutch. Feather the clutch. Yeah. It's up around the corner. And whatever you do, stay to the inside. There we go. Now I feel bad for bringing him up here. This is gnarly. Wow, but the view is amazing. I figured there was a payoff at the top. Yeah, please do. It'd be fun to camp here, wouldn't it? There we go. We got him. There you go, baby. We got you. Goodness. Hey, I'm glad you crashed to the inside, though. I do. I think I got it on video even. Well, that was an adventure. Yeah. I guess that's why they call it adventure motorcycling, right? Yeah. So this was a landing I've never been to. It's on the way up to Prairie Peak, but it's on the opposite side. And as you can see, we had a little adventure getting up here, but pretty awesome view for somewhere that I bypassed the last time I was up here. So glad we checked it out. Now the fun part of getting back down starts right now when Trevor's ready. You ready? Yeah. I'll follow you down, okay? Alright, so here comes the fun part, getting down. I'm gonna follow Trevor, make sure he gets down okay. Awesome. Gonna give each other a little bit of room in case we run into some issues. And whatever you do, don't go to the right. Yeah. That's what when he went up the bank, I was like, oh, thank God he didn't go to the left or to the right. Yeah, same. This almost is better if you just kind of do it quickly. Well, just run down this hill, you know. Yep, go to the left. Go to the left, you got it. Why is he having so much trouble? Oh. You all right, buddy? Is it in gear? There you go. You got it. You need some help? We can come help you, I think. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Get it. Yeah, buddy. Got it. I don't know. You're past the hard part, I think. There you go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oop. I think too, maybe it's just a little taller than it was before, and so it's screwing with him. Yeah, a lot. I'm gonna let him get down a little farther. Well, geez, he got it up by himself. That's good. I don't know. I'm not sure what the struggle is because this isn't as bad. Yeah, maybe so. No. Yeah. There you go, baby. Hey, that a kid? You all right?
That same spot just felt like I was swimming.
Oh yeah.
In like quicksand, like.
Yeah, the front end kind of washed on you, huh?
Well, my problem was like, they started doing that. My feet went out just instinctively.
Yeah.
And I couldn't get that rear brake back.
Right.
So, as soon as I lost my rear brake, I grabbed my front, but then it's just.
Yep.
You want this to just go off.
Yep. All right, let's get up to Prairie Peak. Dude, it's so cool up here. So we are gonna take a hard right here to get up the hill. So it's a little bit of and it's a little bit off camber. There we go. There he is. He's doing all right. Oh no. Yeah, are they logging up here? No way. Dude, that blows. Oh. I don't have a CB channel to contact the operator. Dang it. I wonder if we can go up that backside, that other road on the that we were just although, are we gonna meet log trucks? That sucks. I wonder if we can go up the other road and see where it goes. You good with getting turned around? Okay. Yeah, maybe we can go up that way. I don't see any trucks coming. Oh man, good view here too. Well, let's try this side. I don't know. We didn't take this side last time. Doesn't mean it won't get us there. Tank trap. Yeah, it is. Epic fail getting to Prairie Peak today. Oh yeah, we're like, it's like just around the corner from that gate. Yep, we're there. You all right? You all right? Oh. No, huh? Oh, it goes farther. Yeah, it keeps going. All right. Well, let's explore. Let's go a wee bit farther, shall we? Dude, that really sucks. We can't get up there. Yeah, this is cool for sure. It's just not the same. I was excited to fly my drone up there. I could do it here. Well, let's see where this goes. Because really, it kind of goes around the backside of how to get to the top, I think. I wonder if we can, yeah. I wonder if we can circumvent what they were doing. I think it must be. What's this say? Oh boy. Yeah, it's just muddy. Yeah, I think we better find a spot to turn around. I don't think they want us up here. Oh, you're good. You can keep going. Need a push? Oh, you good job. Where did he go? Is he still here? I don't even see him. There he is. You alright?
Yeah, my tire just keeps cutting loose.
Really?
So I got stuck. I didn't drop it, but I kept stalling it out when I tried it. Whenever I tried to get traction, whenever I tried it, the clutch just stalled.
Weird.
So.
Okay. Well, this goes up to like where they're actually working.
Oh yeah.
And so I figured we probably see. I thought we could get up right there, go around the backside, but I don't see a road to get there.
Yeah.
So it's okay. This is a good view.